Hey, how you doing this side? And I'm back with another video for you. And today we're going to talk about minimum tools and resources required for affiliate marketing business. Okay, so first things first, affiliate marketing is a business. Okay, and just like any other business, you need certain tools and resources to build and grow your business. So for example, let's take a coffee shop business. As a minimum, they're going to need certain things and items and resources, the business owner would need to have in place before they can, open their business, they can operate their business, they can run their business. So we're talking examples: coffee machines, cups, glasses, coffee, the actual coffee itself, right? So it's just simple things that they're gonna need to run their business. Okay, so without these things, that they will not, there's no way they can run their coffee shop business. So it works the same way. In affiliate marketing, there are certain tools and resources that you need to have in place before you can even start promoting any affiliate offers. Okay, now I'll be honest with you, that you can, do affiliate marketing, in a completely free way. There's ways around it. Okay, you can do affiliate marketing for free, that's a fact. Okay, but without, without investing any money at all. For example, you can go to a ClickBank and you can generate a link to any product within seconds, and you can take that link and then blast it on social media platforms and various other online places, for example classified ads sites or whatever, you know what I mean. But there's a possibility that you'll make a sale or two. If you do, that's great. However, that's not a sustainable way and proper way to do affiliate marketing. Okay, and you can even build on free tools and resources alone, that you can get from the internet. For example, for those free websites, that they give you, Wix and Weebly or whatever, you can build upon these. However, that your business, if you do it this way, your business will be built upon uncertain and risky foundations. Okay, as many of these resources will have limited features and services in some way or another. And if you do go through, you can figure out the building part of your business, because you're not really going to be building your affiliate marketing business the proper way. Okay, so the tools that we're going to be talking about, when it comes to investing, they're going to be, some will be paid tools, some will not, but whatever tools that you need, you just need to treat them as costs and investments for your investing in your building your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so don't think of them as expenditures. Okay, they're just costs, and you're investing for the future of your business, right? The longevity of your business. So think of it like that. Okay, so when you approach affiliate marketing with the business mindset and follow proven affiliate marketing growth strategies, only then you can be building some income producing assets that can potentially generate you traffic, leads and sales for longevity, as I mentioned. Okay, so some examples of assets. Okay, well, your own website, your blog, also referred to as your home on the internet, marketing funnels, your email list, your content pages, lead magnet pages, lead magnets themselves. In order to build these valuable assets, you need to invest in some important tools and resources. So I'm using the word invest and not spend, as I mentioned, because they are essentially investments that contribute towards your affiliate marketing revenue growth and success. Okay, so would you be willing to invest a few $100s in order to build a long-term business that could potentially provide you more time freedom, money freedom, location freedom? I'm sure you do, right? So it makes sense to get the necessary tools and resources to build those assets that I mentioned in your affiliate marketing business the right way. Okay, so let's now look at some of the most important tools and resources that you need, the minimum stuff that you need to run your affiliate marketing business the proper way, that can last and become a real world valuable asset. Okay, so these tools and resources are literally the absolute minimum. So please consider these if you're truly serious about, affiliate marketing and want to commit to it, you want to go all in. Okay, the first thing is domain name. Domain name, this is the address of your home on the internet. Okay, similar to a physical address that we have, such as our home addresses. This is a unique address online which people can type in the browser or get from links on Google search or whatever, to come to your website. For example, my website domain name here is affiliateship.com. Okay, so that's my website domain name. So people can find me through affiliateship.com. They can type it in, or they can, you know, access it through links on various websites, wherever, you know, if I do advertising, when I do post ads or whatever. Okay, so my domain name affiliateship.com is accessible from anywhere in the world, which means that I can potentially attract visitors on a global scale. And that's one of the big benefits of having your home on the internet. Okay, you can access globally, people globally, international. We're talking millions of people, right? So when it comes to naming your domain, you can choose almost, you know, whatever name that you wish to be your domain name, as long as it's not taken up by someone else. Okay, if it's taken up, then obviously you can't use it. Okay, so consider that, and it should ideally be something related to your niche. Okay, for marketing purposes. Okay, so that's domain names. So some popular domain name companies to get your domain name are Namecheap, GoDaddy, Name.com, Netfirm. These are just some that I personally use myself. Namecheap is the one that I currently use quite a bit now, as they offer the best deals usually, and also they offer free SSL certificate and domain privacy. These two are important security features for your website, and they protect you against certain things. And you know, some domain name companies charge for these two extra bits of security, but Namecheap is currently adding them all for free, you know, when you purchase a domain name from them. So Namecheap is a great one, which I use myself, and you can definitely check that one out. Okay, so how much is a domain name? So if you're looking around $10 to $15 a year for a domain name. That's not much, to be honest. You know, for a business, if you want to run a business, $10 to $15 a year for a domain name is cheap, to be honest. But Namecheap are also, you know, doing it for around $12 to $13, and that's including the free SSL and domain privacy. So that's an excellent deal, to be honest, because the SSL and domain privacy, a lot of companies, I said, they charge extra for that, but with Namecheap you're getting it all included, okay, for about $13. Okay, so next thing is website builder. That's what you need. Next thing, okay, website builder is this is the software that you'll use to build your website. Okay, so your website, as I mentioned, will be your home on the internet. You can have all sorts of contents and pages that will be related to your niche, and you'll be basing it on your affiliate marketing on. Okay, so promoting your affiliate marketing offers, you know, based from that website, right? So you can outsource the website design or build it yourself. There's two ways to go around it. Normally outsourcing could cost you a lot when you're starting out, but if you can build it yourself, you know, then of course you'll save a lot of money, right? And don't worry when it comes to building it yourself if you do decide to go up the route, because you don't have to know no web design skills these days, as you know, we will use the best website builder that does all the building for you and is the most popular one, which is WordPress. WordPress is very easy to use, comes with a free front end interface that you don't need no web, you know, development skills or anything technical. Affiliateshop.com itself is built on WordPress, and I just, you know, love using it and recommending it. WordPress, as you get so many options and features, you know, bells and whistles, if you like, on making your website, you know, the way that you want it to be and professional looking and all that. Okay, so for example, you can choose your preferred website design by using themes. Themes are basically like, you know, designs and stuff that you can simply just instantly change the look of your website within seconds. Okay, that's themes. And also themes are, as I said, basically entire website design templates that are pre-designed that you can install on your website, you know, and you can change the entire look of your website in a few clicks and seconds. There's two versions of WordPress: WordPress.org, which you can download and install on your web hosting, which we'll discuss in a bit. WordPress.com, which is cloud-based service, which you can sign up for free on their WordPress.com website, but WordPress.com has some limited features, and I would not go for WordPress.com because it's not a full-blown service, the features that you get, okay, when it comes to website building. WordPress.com is the one that you want, as it's free to use, but you have to install it on a web hosting, okay, which we're going to discuss. I'll go through in a bit. This version has full capabilities and all the features of WordPress that you need, okay. So with WordPress.com, I said it's free to sign up. The free version comes with basic features with some limitations. For example, you can't upload your custom theme and plugins. If you want the ability to do these, you'll have to pay for more features. I went for WordPress.org, the version which you install on your web hosting, because it simply gives me the full functionality of WordPress. You can go for WordPress.com free version, but remember, you'll have basic features, okay? So how much is WordPress? As mentioned, WordPress.com is free, but with the paid version, you can get more features, okay? That's on WordPress.com. But what I'm saying is, best to go for WordPress.com .org version, which is free of course, but you have to install a web host, which is going to cost you a bit, okay, which we're going to talk about now. And that's a lot. That's WordPress.org is the one that a lot of people go for, because as I said, you get the full functionality. Okay, so the cost in this case will be for your web hosting, which you'll install WordPress on. And if you're concerned about installing WordPress, don't worry about it, because we're going to discuss that in a moment, and which is really easy to do. Okay, so web hosting is the next bit that you need, next tool and resources that you need, next resource should we say that you'll need. And it's basically where your website and its content will be stored online 24/7, okay, 365 days a year. So whilst you go about your daily life, your website will be working for you, potentially generating traffic, leads and sales. Almost all web hosting services come with free automatic installations of the popular apps, including WordPress that I just talked about, that I recommend definitely. And affiliate.com is definitely on WordPress itself. So yeah, so you can, within seconds and clicks, you can literally install the whole WordPress on your website. Okay, so you can sign up hosting today and install the full version of WordPress on your website in less than a minute, and it's just a few clicks. So as you can see, WordPress is sorted for you as long as you choose a good web host which has the WordPress install app feature, which most of them do anyway, top ones do. And I've personally tried a few web hosting, and I'm going to list the ones that I've used, and they support WordPress and they are established web hosting services. So when you sign up for web hosting, you'll see different pricing and features depending on your requirements. You'll need to choose the one based on your requirements. For example, if you're just starting out with one website, then just go for one website hosting, and in future as you grow and expand, you can always upgrade. And here's some popular web hosting services I've used personally: Bluehost, HostGator. Currently I'm using A2 hosting. The reason I'm using A2 hosting is because they provide some advanced customization features on hardware, which I wanted, as I wanted to host more than one website. I wanted more server power, so I just paid some extra for this facility. Okay, as I said, if you're starting out, you can go for the one website plan, and later you can upgrade as you grow your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so how much will it cost web hosting? Web hosting, you're looking at around $15 a month for good quality hosting. Great quality hosting from either of these hosting services. Another thing to know is that some web hosts charge annually and longer term plans with and they give you a discount if you go for longer term plans. HostGator and A2 hosting provide monthly and long term plans. Bluehost only provides the longer term plans and no monthly plans. Okay, but Bluehost is currently working at lower cost and less than $3 a month for a one website plan. But if you have to take out a long-term plan, I think it's a fantastic deal, definitely. And if you want to take a one website plan, it comes out a good deal as well, of course, $3 a month about. Okay, so remember, if you paid up front for a longer term plan, then you decide to cancel any month, they should provide you the pro rata refund for the remaining months you had left on your plan. So please check with each service, but I'm sure Bluehost has that service where they do provide you a pro rata refund. So that's end of part one on this topic of minimum tools and resources required for affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to end this video now. We're going to part two is coming up shortly, and you can find the link somewhere probably on actually I'll put it in the description of this video, part two, and you can access part two where we'll discuss the remaining things that you'll need, minimum tools, that resource that you need to run your affiliate marketing business. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, if you like part one, please do like, comment and subscribe. And also if you like some free resources on building your affiliate marketing business, then please check out affiliate.com/free. I also put the YouTube description below. Okay, so part two will be on the description of this video below. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in part two.